Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. Now, to get started, you want to power off your device, and once it's completely off, hold power key and volume down. Now, once you start holding those keys, there is a chance you're gonna automatically leave the recovery mode because of the stupidest design here. When you let go of the power key, it accepts it as an input to start the device back up. So if that happens to you, just try to repeat it and let go of the power key, I guess, so without actually rebooting the device. There we go. On this time it actually worked. It didn't reboot. I tried it twice before. So anyway, once you're here, you're not actually in recovery mode just yet, so you will need to use the volume keys to navigate. And you want to select recovery mode as it is visible right here. Press power key to confirm it, and this will take you to, well, almost the recovery mode. Because before we will see this Android with no command, so you will need to hold power key, press volume up once, and now we are in the recovery mode. Now, same as before, and here you will navigate using volume keys, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And the options here are things like reboot system, which will take us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, or reboot or enter fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or mount system, view logs, run graphic tests along with local ones, and simple power off. So like I said, whatever you select, then confirm with power key, and because I wanted to leave this mode, I selected reboot system now. Let's wait for it to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.